Alright guys, welcome back. We're about to begin scientific notation. You should have your worksheet in front of you and it should look very similar to this I have on the board here. Scientific notation is simply a number times 10 to a power. We just did our powers of 10. This should look very familiar. All we're going to do is add a number in front of it. The number has to be greater than or equal to 1, but less than 10. And our exponent, just like in powers of 10, can be positive or negative. We use scientific notation to write very large or very small numbers.
Hello.
Hello, sweetheart. How are you?
Pretty good. And I forgot.
Scientific notation has two very simple steps. First, we're going to move the decimal point so that there is only one number in front of it. That number is going to be 1 to 9. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Those are the only numbers that can be in front of your decimal point. Then we're going to count the number of places you moved the decimal point. This number becomes your exponent. Here are your examples. The first one is 64,300,000. So we start with the decimal place back here. It's invisible, we don't see it, but we know it's there. And we want to move it behind the 6. Only the 6 is in front. We count our bunny hops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we rewrite it 6.43 times 10 to the 7th power. And this is it. This is your whole answer. The next one is 3,980,000. Again, our decimal point starts back here, and we want it to be right here. We count our bunny hops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 3.98 times 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 6th power. And that's it. Those are both positive exponents. Those are really large numbers, both in the millions. Down here, we have very small numbers. The first one, we have our decimal point here. We want it to move to right here behind the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 5.12 times 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the negative 4th power. The next example, we start right here. We want our decimal point here. 1, 2, 7.6 times 10 to the negative 2nd. The next two examples, there's one more that's a large number and one more is a small number, are yours to do for homework. The next section of your worksheet goes over taking something from scientific notation and moving it into standard form. First, we're going to move the decimal point, the number of spaces indicated by the exponent. A negative exponent means we move to the right. Positive means we move to the left. Remember, a negative exponent is a small number, and a positive exponent is a large number. First example below. There's two ways you can do this. You could keep it right here and count 6 spaces from your 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and rewrite it. 2, 9, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. I like to write it 2, 9, 1, then do my bunny hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and fill in my spaces. Either way, you get the same exact answer. You're going to do the next 2 for homework. So the 2 above plus these 2 equals 4 for homework. See you in class.